Find or read reviews that people are talking about VTOMAN V3 Pro, 2000 amp, jump starter, car battery jumper starter portable. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Efficiently start vehicle. VTOMAN V3 Pro car battery jumper starter is equipped with 2000 amp peak current, which can easily start 12V vehicles up to 30 times on a single charge, up to 6L gasoline or 4L diesel engines. In addition, this reliable car battery charger jump starter can start completely dead vehicles in extreme temperatures from -4 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, such as cars, trucks, motorcycles, snowmobiles, SUVs, lawn mowers, boats, and more. Start a completely dead battery. Smart Boost Mode automatically detects the voltage of the vehicle battery. If the smart cable indicator light is off or flashing green, you can press the boost button to quickly start a completely dead battery. No more anxiously waiting for rescue. Portable and compact. This compact and lightweight V3 Pro car battery jump start weighs less than 0.7 pounds and measures 5.9 x 3.2 x 1.2 inches, making it portable and easy to carry in your hand. Put in your car or travel bag. Compared to bulky lead-acid jump starters, this compact VTOMAN booster pack provides greater convenience and peace of mind for your travels. Multifunction Jump Box. V3 Pro is not just a jump box, it is also a portable power bank and LED emergency light. It features a fast charge Type-C input port and can be fully charged in just 2.6 hours. This jumper box is also designed with one USB output, 5V/2.1 amp, to charge a variety of mobile devices. In addition, it is equipped with an LED emergency light with 3 modes, normal, strobe, SOS, and an integrated compass, making it a reliable companion outdoors or in emergency situations. Comprehensive Intelligent Protection. VTOMAN V3 Pro Jump Starter Battery Pack built-in 10 safety protection technologies, including anti-spark, reverse charging, overcurrent, overcharging, reverse polarity, high temperature, low temperature, short circuit, overvoltage, and overload protection and more. If the connection is incorrect, the jumper cable indicator will prompt you with a red light, while preventing wrong connection or sparks. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.